I know that you want to start a faceless YouTube channel. That's why you are here, right? But I know making best possible videos requires the use of some premium tools that are paid, and those that offer a free plan don't allow commercial use, which means you can't monetize your channel. Just give me one more minute to explain things to you. The biggest problem you will ever face in making faceless videos is that the realistic AI voices are paid. But after hours of research, I found an amazing AI tool that provides realistic AI voices for free, and you can easily monetize your channel. If you have the patience to watch this video till the end, I can assure you that by the end of this video, you will have all the knowledge and tools required to make money from YouTube. People actually charge thousands of dollars for a course like this, but I am giving it away for free. In this course, we will cover everything from creating a channel branding, writing viral scripts, generating AI voiceover, generating visuals for our videos, editing everything in an editing software, creating a professional thumbnail, uploading our first video on a best time, SEO, and many more. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. So before starting, check out this channel. It has made over $25,293 since it was created. And to your surprise, this channel was created only 9 months ago, and they have gained over 5 million views by uploading simple motivational and wisdom story videos. I know you would be thinking that this niche is very saturated, but if you do it the way I will teach you, you will be able to easily crush the competition. And the main reason for picking this niche is the high RPM, meaning you will get up to $5 per 1,000 views. Now first check out a video I was able to create in just 15 minutes that is way better than what this channel creates.
In a quiet village, there stood a grand willow tree. This tree had been there for centuries, its branches stretching wide, providing shade and comfort to everyone who came by. The villagers believed the willow held wisdom from the ages. One day, a young man named Amir, troubled by life's hardships, decided.
In case you want to skip a point, use the timestamps from the description. So let's start by creating a new channel, because for a new channel, YouTube algorithm is not established, and this can increase your chances of being noticed by the algorithm. So let's pick a name for our YouTube channel with the help of ChatGPT. We will simply start by asking ChatGPT to provide me some unique and interesting names for a YouTube channel based on motivational and wisdom story video. In this way, ChatGPT will provide you with some popular names. So in case you don't like the names, keep regenerating until you find a good one. Then simply go to YouTube and then click on this logo at the top and then click on Create a Channel. Now here you need to type the channel name we generated in ChatGPT and then write the same name again in the handle without any space, and then just click on Create Channel and your channel will be created. Now let's get our channel logo and complete our channel branding. For logo, the tool I use is named Lexica Art. For my every channel, I download images from here and use them on my channel. You can remain worry-free. All these images are copyright-free, as our niche is motivational, so we will search by keywords like motivational or calm monk, wise person, or even strong warrior. Try search by different keywords, and when you find a good image, simply download it, then head back to YouTube, and then go to YouTube Studio, and then click on customization from the left side, and then click on branding. And now just simply click on upload and just upload the image, and then let's create our channel banner to complete our branding. For branding, I already asked ChatGPT to provide me a prompt for generating our channel banner. You can access the prompt from Google document in description of this video. Now we will simply paste this prompt in Leonardo AI. Then all you need to do is just select a preset, keep the aspect ratio into 16:9, and that's it. Just generate the image, and when the image is ready, simply download it. Now I won't suggest you to waste your time in adding a text to this banner, so we will simply upload it from here on our channel, because it is just part of the branding. Just tell me, have you ever subscribed a channel by analyzing its channel banner? No, right, so the logo and banner are uploaded. Now there is one last thing left, our channel description. So again, I have asked ChatGPT to provide a good, attractive, and professional description with some cool emojis for our channel, and just copy up the description and then come back to YouTube Studio and then go to basic info and scroll down and simply paste the description in the description box. And don't forget to provide your email in the description for sponsorship mails. No one will tell you this, but it is very important for earning good money through promotions besides ads revenue. Then just click on publish and your channel brandings is complete. Now coming to the script part, we will use ChatGPT because of the GPT-4. That is now free to use, and we get some pro chats every day, which are more than enough to get a good script. Now I will basically paste this special prompt that I created to get our script. All the prompts and the tools we used are assembled together in a notepad, which is uploaded in Google Drive. The link to the tool will be in the description. Feel free to download it and use for your own benefit. Now we will simply generate our script. Now you would obviously have seen videos where gurus say that transcript already viral video and create a similar script. So guys, just tell me one thing, what makes you think that people will watch a third-class replicated video of a viral video? It doesn't make sense. So creating our own scripts on viral topics is the best thing to do. Now you can either modify this script, do a little bit changings to make it more engaging, but it's not over yet. We need to get the image prompts to ease our work. You will also find the image prompts in the document. I will simply paste it here, and ChatGPT will provide us with some good images description. 11 Labs is the most popular website when it comes for generating realistic voiceovers, but the free plan of 11 Labs don't allow commercial use, which means you can't monetize your channel. And in case you do get monetized, there is always a danger of copyright strike or legal issues unless you don't know how to use 11 Labs correctly. So today we will use an AI tool named VoiceMaker. This is a text-to-speech similar to 11 Labs. It also provides a free plan. Well, they also don't allow commercial use on free plan, but they have clearly stated that they allow YouTube support on free plan, which means if you provide link to the website in your video description, you are allowed to use the tool for free and monetize your channel. Now simply paste your script here, but I must tell you that you can only paste 250 characters at a time. So simply generate your voiceover in parts one by one, then click on this change button, and here are tons of voices, and from here you can simply select an AI voice of your choice. Well, these voices are not bad for a free plan and are good enough for monetization. Now I will simply select a voiceover, and then just click on generate, and just wait a little bit. And when the voiceover is ready, simply download it. Now let's generate our images now in Leonardo AI. Simply copy up first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now I need you to try a combination of image models and presets and choose a one that suits your style. Then just do some basic stuff like selecting aspect ratio and then choose an image model from the advanced option. And that's it. Simply click on generate. The only reason for using Leonardo AI is because of its free image to motion feature, which is better than 90% of paid image to motion tools out there. Once your images are ready, you can select a good image and then just click on this generate motion video and it will start making your motion, but it can take a few minutes, so you better be patient. And here you can see our motion is ready, which seems to be fantastic now. Just download it and do the same process for the remaining images. Now for editing, you can use any software that you like, but I will personally use CapCut. So simply import all your materials, then place your voiceover on the timeline and easily remove these empty spaces from the voiceover. Now you don't need to remove every silent part, just listen to the voiceover and remove only those that sound awkward or those that are too long. This is a very important step. Don't take it lightly because it literally takes viewer only 1 second to leave the video. So make sure you don't give them the chance to skip the video. Now all you need to do is calmly listen to the voiceover and then place each clip on the timeline in sequence so that our voiceover and visuals accurately match and represent a scene together. When you have done this part, then just do the basic editing to make the video interesting, like adding some good animations. To tell you, just please don't add those shaky or glitch animations. Trust me, they are useless. And then just add some cool transitions between your clips. You can take your time in this clip and do it better. I will just randomly add some transitions. And then there are effects. Effects can be a great way to engage and hook your viewers. Like some of the effects that I personally use for my other channels are this cinematic opening effect in the start of the video and cinematic closing at the end of the video. And don't forget spark effect, it looks very cool. But don't forget to reduce its atmosphere and speed, or else it will cover the whole video, and just try some other effects as well. Then go to filters and search for a filter named Clear to Filter. Drag it and drop it on your video and stretch it on all of the clips just like this. Now just take a look at the clips with and without this filter. There is a huge visible difference. So what are we forgetting? Yeah, the caption, right? How can we forget captions? We will simply generate auto captions in just one click, and when they are ready, simply select a good template. Now I will select this template, but to further improve the template, I will change its font as well as the color to make the captions more appealing. Now don't place your captions in the middle of the screen. Instead, place them here in the lower portion of the video. And that's it. Now simply select all your materials like this, excluding the voiceover. Then right-click and simply click on Create Compound Clip, and it will assemble into one larger clip. Then again, right-click on the clip and copy it and paste it ahead, and keep pasting it until it fits on the voiceover. Then for voiceover, you can download a copyright-free music from YouTube and use it in your video. Or to remain worry-free from any copyright issues, simply download a good music from YouTube audio library. If you invest invest some time and search for musics, you will definitely find a good music for your videos, then just export your video. Now finally, we will upload our video on our channel with proper SEO and thumbnail. Now go back to Leonardo AI and select one best image from all the images you created and download it again. Now simply open Canva and click on YouTube thumbnail. Then we will simply add a text here and simply choose a good font. Now according to your video topic, you can write a good keyword here. And don't forget to use a mix of 2 colors in writing your text on thumbnail. For now, I will use combination of red and white color. Then just place the text at a good location on the image. And that's it. Just export the thumbnail. Now heading back to our video uploading page. Now we will write a basic title here. Now don't just write anything in the title. Just write a title that clearly represents what your video is about. It will enable the algorithm to serve your video to the right audience. Now simply copy up the title and head to ChatGPT again and paste the title there and ask ChatGPT to provide me a short, well-written description with specific keywords to get views on my video and also provide me hashtags for my video. And whatever ChatGPT will provide you, just copy it from there and just paste it in your description as it is. Now again, copy your title and search rapid tags on Google. Then just paste your title here and press enter. And this tool will provide you with all the relevant tags for your video. Now just click on copy and paste all the tags in the tags section and then scroll down and change the category into education. And then if you see in the copyright section, YouTube has analyzed our whole video and didn't find any copyright issue. Then just come on the last option to upload your video. Now for long videos, YouTube itself says that uploading time won't affect your video's long-term performance. But to get a sudden boost in views, think by yourself that at which time the maximum audience would be online. Now mostly your audience will be youngsters and adults of up to 30 to 40 age. So most of the people of this age group are free at 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So we will schedule our video at 5 p.m., 1 hour before they are online. Why 1 hour before they are online? It's because our channel is new. So it will take YouTube some time to analyze our videos, title, descriptions, hashtags, and tags to find our target audience. And once the majority of the people are online, your video will be in front of them and boom, you got the views. Guys, I literally covered each and every little detail that you need to call yourself an experienced YouTuber. I have literally put my heart and soul in this course and yeah, also gave it away for free to you. So if deserve a like, a good comment, and a subscribe, then don't forget to do it. That's it, guys. See you all soon.